Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I am sharing with you my newest subscription box, So Artsy. It is a fun junk journal kit. It will start shipping on August the 15th. I'm doing pre-orders starting now through August the 10th. I will only have 100 of these kits. Once they're gone, they're gone. So I thought I would kind of show you what we've got here. In your subscription box, you get a ready-made journal. Mine isn't bound because I just picked it up from the printer, but it will have, I think I've got it upside down. Okay, I did. I have it upside down. It will have a two-sided cover, and then it will have 3 two-sided pages to make a total of 12 pages inside the journal. Okay, it will come with 3 fussy cut pages, so you get this one, and you get this great big tag and the little words, and you get this one with the word spined type thing, and journaling cards, even ribbon holders, and then you get a long skitty little envelope and a corner pocket, a dress form, scissors, and a belly band. Then you also get an exclusive stencil, and this is a stencil that I've designed myself. It kind of reminds me of a bobbin, if you will, I don't know, or a pattern that you would see on some vintage fabric. You'll get a random pattern. Some of these patterns have been used, some of them had not. They may not have all the goodies in there, but I thought they'd be kind of fun to collage with and cut up and use. You get an exclusive bottle of Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist that matches the blues that's in the kit. You also get a bunch of papers that you can use. So you get some sheet music. This looks like ledger paper. These are some 5x7 cards. You fold them in half or you can cut them in half. You get some dictionary pages, and you get some, this one's out of a Bible. Get some more journaling cards that you can fold up or use as a, I can't remember if these are creased or not. You get some black and white and ivory, and you also get some little garment type tags. Lots of little pieces of paper. I try to keep it neutral so that you can add your own touches to it using the Tattered Angels, using the embellishments. You get a couple of these are corsage pins, but I thought they might kind of look neat if you put them in your journal to kind of represent maybe a hat pin or a fancy pin. So I thought you would like those. And then there's a tiny little sewing kit. It comes with a needle threader, buttons, a needle, thread, a safety pin. And I just thought it was really cute because you could probably make like a little needle holder type thing. You get a chipboard dress form that I cut. And then we get a yard of some kind of a lavender lace and a yard of a yellow lace. And then you get 1 yard of some pink fiber thread, and here's some white. And you also get a dark chunky teal. And then you get 2 yards of this variegated kind of a green thread. You'll get 3 random 4x4 squares of fabric, and you'll get a large, I think it's almost 6-inch or right at 6-inch square fabric. And then you get lots of goodies. So in this little pack, you're going to find charms, paper clips, bulb pins, buttons, sequins, a bobbin, a metal bobbin I thought would be kind of cool to use as a charm, and sequins and beads, buttons, and sometimes there may be some little random thing in there because I had a whole bunch of random buttons and sewing things in a little bucket. So you get all of that for $24.99 plus shipping, and I do ship internationally. You just have to pay for shipping. Then you can get an add-on item, so when you purchase that kit, so that you don't have to purchase additional items with more shipping, at the same time you can purchase the planner kit. The planner kit has these 6 journaling cards, and then it comes with 5 two-sided pages. So you get this page, and then that's what the back looks like. then this page, and that's what the back looks like. You get this page, that's what the back looks like. That page, and that page. So that's the planner add-on that you can get to go with this kit. You can also get a mini journal. So this will make up into a 3.5 by 5.5, no, 3.5 by 5.5 inch journal. So it's going to make a little journal. You get 2 journal covers. So this is the first cover, and here is the second cover. And then you get 4 journal pages. So I'll kind of lay those out for you. So this is what one side looks like, and I'll flip them over. And that's what the other side looks like. I like making these, adding some more papers from my stash, and then they fit in pockets in your big journal. So you have a little journal you can write things in or have a place to add more photos. So I thought that would be kind of fun to have those. And that is the mini journal, and those are available as part of the subscription box or as an add-on item. The same with the planner. The planner you can also get as a digital download if you so choose. You cannot, of course, get the subscription box as a download, but you can get the planner pages. Then we have what we call the large journal kit called So Artsy, and it comes with a cover page that you can fussy cut up and use. And then it has 2 journal covers, so there is the first journal cover. This kit can also be purchased as a digital download. It is $14.99, and it's available in my shop. You can add it to your subscription box if you so choose. It comes with 7 two-sided journal pages. It comes with the 2 two-sided covers, and then it comes with 6 fussy cut pages. I think it's going to be a super fun kit to put together. I love what Norella has chosen. She used my stencil designs throughout. Some of my mixed media pages are part of the background. It's another one of my stencil designs here. And then here are the fussy cut pages. So there's one. And then here's another. And then here's another. And another. Lots of little words, and then some journal cards, even with some kitties in there. I also have added a bunch of rubber stamps to my shop as well. You can also get the add-on paint kit. It is a set of 6 Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist that match the kit. That's the whole goal of that. The colors may be similar to kits in the past, but they're really different because I always try to add different mica powders, so they may be similar, and hopefully you're using up those others and you need a replacement anyway. So those are also available in the shop as well. Again, this will all ship out August the 15th. You can pre-order starting now through the day I ship out or until I run out. And, you know, remember, if you are one of my current subscribers and you want to change something about your order, you can visit my website, lindaisrael.com, and you can send me a message there and say, I need to change, I want to add, I need to remove, or I want to also add on my order some rubber stamps so you don't have to pay additional shipping. Okay, so I'm trying to save you some money there. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this. I will be doing some live streams on Mondays at 3:45 p.m. showing how to use this kit starting on July the 29th, and then the next couple of Mondays after that, as well as doing my Mixed Media Thursdays at 12:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, I hope you are inspired to create. I'll be coming back on with some more videos showing you how to make some elements that I think would be cool to use with this kit. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. Give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends that maybe they love the sewing theme and would want to get the kit or digital downloads. So I really appreciate your support. All right, everybody, have a fabulous day. Lots of love to you. Bye.